In JavaScript, you can copy an object in two main ways. And please don't confuse it with this. It's just referencing object to another variable, it's not a copy. Shallow copy only duplicates the top layer of the object. If the object has deeper levels, those are not copied but referenced. You can make a shallow copy using either the spread operator or the object assign method. When you change a property on the first level of the copied object, it doesn't affect the original object. But if you change something deeper inside, it will also change in the original object. This is because deeper parts are just referenced in a shallow copy. Deep copy creates a complete copy of the object at all levels. You can achieve a deep copy with combination of JSON parse and JSON stringify. Changing a property on any level of the copied object does not affect the original object in a deep copy. Shallow copies are quicker to make than deep copies. However, the right choice depends on your situation. Use shallow copy if your object is not nested, and go for a deep copy if your object has multiple levels. Now it's time to practice. I have 3 exercises for you. Please pause the video for each exercise, read the task description carefully, try to solve it on your own, and then resume the video to check your answer. These exercises require some time, so please don't rush. Your main goal should be to focus on quality, not quantity.